Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw one of the characters that you see in Cuphead's map. And this one is called Forkington. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw him, and to begin, we're going to draw his eyes first. So we're going to draw one line like this, and then we're going to go ahead and draw another one right here. Okay, and then we're going to draw his eyeball, so we're going to come down, angle. Okay, and then on the other side, it's pretty much the same thing. Okay, and then his brow, we're going to have one going this way, and then one going this way. Okay, so let me shade it in so we can see the eyes a little bit better. And he's got a pretty funny looking expression on this one. Okay. So then after that, we're going to draw a spectacle on this eye. So we're just going to draw one big oval shape. Just kind of circle it. And then now we can draw his mouth. So real easy. Just right underneath here, just make a little line like this. And then the corner of the mouth. A little bit of creasing. Okay, so that's his expression. So now we're going to draw his face. So we're going to start here. We can just kind of follow this curve. Okay, and then on this side, we're going to draw come down, and we're just going to wrap around it. So this is his face. It's also the bottom of the fork. So once we have this, now we're going to go up, right? Because his head is basically a fork. So we're going to go straight up. And then on this side as well, we're going to go straight up. Okay, and then we're going to come in a little bit. Just draw two little lines like this on each side. And then in the middle, I want you to draw another line, kind of like evenly spaced. Okay, so like in between here, now we're gonna draw the little forks. So we're just coming down and just make a really tight U shape. On this side as well, just come on down, then go back up. Okay, so now we have the forks, so now we're gonna make it a little bit three-dimensional. So from here, just draw one little line like this, and then connect it with that kind of angle. And then for this one, it's gonna be the same U, but just starting here as this U here. So we're just gonna come down and just kind of curve it over. Okay, so now we're gonna draw here, a little bit offset, same thing. Connect, connect. Now the same little curve. Okay, so one more here, offset. Connect these. Okay, so now we're gonna come down all the way down. So we're just gonna come straight down, same curvature, and then as we get here, just taper it into the face. Okay, so now we have a kind of like a three-dimensional fork. And to finish off his face, he's got a little bit of for the spectacle. Okay, so that's his funny looking face, and now let's finish off his body, which is gonna be pretty simple as well. So underneath here, straight down, underneath here, straight down, okay? And then here, little triangle here, and then this is gonna be his coat. So come down, and now all we do is just connect these, okay? And then his body, just one curve, just close that off. And then for his arm is real easy, so right around here, just come that up and then go back into his coat. And we're gonna give it some thickness here. We're gonna draw one line and then a smaller line in there because he's got his arm behind the back. Okay, so for this hand, so I'm gonna draw two curves, close it off. Now extend it a little bit for the glove. And then now we're gonna go one curve like this. And stop right around there because we want to draw the thumb first. On then the other one, we'll go up, just curve it, and that's gonna be his thumb. So now we're gonna draw the fingers. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and then 3. And now we're gonna curve it back down. And let's clean this up a little bit. We'll close it off. And then on the palm, just a little bit of a curve there. Okay, so now his legs gonna be pretty simple. So two straight lines, shoes, close it off, bracket, close it off, and now we're gonna go out, and here's the heel, and just come out, and a line there for the details on the shoe. And then on the other side, it's gonna be almost the same thing. So we're gonna come 2 straight lines, a little bit of curvature, close it off, bracket, close it off. Now we're gonna come down with the heel, just make one big bulb like this, and details on the shoe. And that's it for this Forkington character from Cuphead. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.